Today, what we are doing here is more than an inauguration or opening of a mission. We are confirming and reconfirming a bond that has grown organically through decades of shared aspirations, mutual respect, and unwavering partnership. The moment is a proof of resilience of our people and the vision of our leaders. To the Kenyan officials present, your presence honors us, and your nation's steadfast pragmatism in engaging Somaliland has paved the way for this day to come. To the diplomats representing our international partners, your support has been instrumental in amplifying our voice on the global stage. And to the Somalilanders, whether long-time residents of Kenya or newly arrived, this mission is your home, a place where you can dream and contributions are celebrated. To each of you who has journeyed here to stand with us, whether from neighboring embassies, Kenyan institutions, or diaspora, I extend Somaliland's deepest gratitude. Your presence honors not just this occasion, but the shared future we are building together. From this new location, we will translate our government's promise into intangible progress. Our doors will be open each morning with clear priorities, and it is to streamline consular services for our citizens, dismantle barriers for traders and investors, and foster people-to-people ties that no document can fully capture. The Somaliland-Kenya Trade Corridor, the academic exchange, and the security collaboration are not just abstract concepts. They are the foundations upon which we will build a future of shared prosperity. We would not stand here today without the dedication of countless individuals, to the Kenyan authorities who have facilitated this mission's establishment. Thank you for the trust. To our international allies, we recognize Somaliland's stability and potential. Your partnership fuels our progress. And to the Somaliland diaspora, whose remittances and advocacy have sustained our nation through challenges, the achievement is yours as much as it is ours. I cut the ribbon. The embassy is open. Let us remember the true measure of this mission's success will be seen in the opportunities to unlock for the student who secure a visa to study, the entrepreneur who finalizes a cross-border deal, the family reunited after years apart. This is the work that lies ahead, and it is work we will undertake with humility, determination, and an unshakable belief in what Somaliland and Kenya can achieve together. From the bottom of my heart, may this mission serve as a beacon of hope and a catalyst for prosperity. May it stand as a beacon of hope, a hub of innovation, and a bridge between our two great nations.